Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add any link on Instagram stories. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here basically Instagram has just rolled out a link sticker on your Instagram story, but it was just for the users who have more than 10,000 followers. But now Instagram has just launched a new features for every Instagram user, that you can use the link features on your Instagram without having 10,000 followers. So to use the features, or to add the link of your social media's profile or YouTube link on your Instagram story, then watch this video till the end and also get updated with me. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, basically to do this, what you need to do, first of all, go to App Store, or if you are using Android, go to Play Store and then search for Instagram. So after searching for Instagram, make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. So here you will find an option that is update. So make sure if your Instagram is not update, tap on the update bar and then your Instagram will be updated. So let me just open the Instagram application here. Okay, now here if you go to this your story section, click on the camera icon, and then here let me just click a random picture, and then now here on the top you can see the sticker icon. Simply tap on the sticker icon, and here you can see the link option. You can see here link option. Simply tap on the link, and then here you can see add your URL. So what you need to do, let me just show you for an example. If you want to add your YouTube video link, then just go to YouTube and then just copy the link. Okay, you just need to copy the link here. I just copied the link, and then after copying the link, you have to just tap and paste it, and then click on done option, and then it's done. So if somebody tap here on your link, then he or she will be redirected to your YouTube video. And guys, here let me just discard this, click a random picture, and then if you want to add your Facebook profile link, then what you need to do here, you have to go to the Facebook, and then here on the bottom right corner there is a menu icon, and then click on the profile name, and then here this type of interface will pop up. Click on the 3 days, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So here you can see on the bottom your profile link. Simply copy the profile link, and then now go to Instagram and click on the sticker icon and click on link, and then just you need to paste the link here, and then done. Now you can see facebook.com. So this is how you can use the link features on your Instagram story. I hope this is absolutely helpful video for you. So if you really liked it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.